Let's make hard-boiled eggs in an instant pot. This is how I make. So first you put the trivet in an instant pot and put eggs. I try to make 6 at a time because I don't like um, using like last week's eggs. So I tend to make these eggs every 2 or 3 days. So as you have put all of your eggs in the instant pot, and now add some water. Put the lid on. Go to the pressure cook mode and cook it for 5 minutes. And make sure your vent is on sealing mode. While the eggs are cooking here, I'm gonna prepare ice bath here. So here I have taken a big bowl with cold water and I'm gonna put some ice into it. And then after the cooking process is done, I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes to natural release, and then I'm gonna release the pressure, and later on I'm gonna take those eggs and put into this ice bath. So the timer went off, and after this I'm gonna do 5 minute natural release. So once the beep sound turned off, it's gonna start one more timer here. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in increasing order, and here I have my ice cold water ready. So we are gonna wait for this timer to come up to 5 minutes, and then we are gonna release the pressure. Now the timer has gone to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna do quick release here. Be careful guys. Meanwhile, turn it off. Wait for this pin to drop down, and then you are good to open this lid. As you can see, the pin has dropped down. Now I'm gonna open this lid. Take these out carefully and put all these eggs into the water. So these eggs are gonna be in ice cold water for 5 minutes. So just eyeball it, or you can set the timer in your stove top. So I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes here, and then these eggs are ready to eat, or you can peel them and store them in fridge for up to 1 week, but I try to finish them within 2 or 3 days. This is just personal choice.